Now, I will show you how it's possible this type of creating image. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Then click first one. Logging with Google account. Then continue. Create profile. Start creating. Then copy for prompt, paste here. Type your name here. You can get these prompt in description. Set aspect ratio. Then hit generate. Wait, it will take some time to generate. It is loading. Look the different design. Right-click then download image.